Soundstripe claims to be the go-to platform for royalty-free music, but does it really live up to the hype? If you're a content creator looking for that perfect soundtrack, stick around as we dive into what Soundstripe offers and what might hold you back. Soundstripe is designed to provide creators with high-quality, royalty-free music for their projects. The platform boasts a vast library of tracks across various genres, making it easy to find the right sound for your video, podcast, or any other creative endeavor. The user interface is straightforward, allowing you to search by genre, mood, or even instruments, which feels intuitive, especially for those who might not have a deep understanding of music. One of the standout features is the ability to download tracks in multiple formats, which is handy if you're working across different media. However, while the selection is impressive, it's worth noting that the library isn't as extensive as some competitors, which could be a deal breaker for those seeking a broader range. Additionally, the subscription model might not suit everyone, especially casual users who only need a few tracks now and then. Overall, while Soundstripe excels in providing quality, the sheer volume of tracks available might leave some wanting more. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Soundstripe offers a user-friendly experience with a solid selection of music that's generally high quality. The ability to filter by mood or genre is a nice touch, making it easier to find what you need quickly. However, there are some drawbacks. The pricing model could be a concern. For occasional users, the subscription might feel like overkill. Plus, while the quality is good, the library can feel somewhat limited compared to other platforms, which might not satisfy those looking for niche genres or less mainstream sounds. Also, there's a lack of transparency regarding licensing for certain uses, which could raise questions for more professional creators. Overall, it's a mixed bag that might suit dedicated creators but leave casual users searching for alternatives. In conclusion, Soundstripe is a solid choice for creators who need reliable, high-quality music regularly. However, if you're a one-off user or need a more extensive library, you might want to explore alternatives. It's worth trying if you fit the right profile, but just be aware of the potential limitations before diving in.